Yes, guys, welcome. So, guys, I Caesar rice I'm gonna cook today, yeah? Caesar rice. I'm gonna put them things away I see tonight. So, guys, let me show you one. Because there's many Caesar rice to cook, but look on that one, you know. Let me show you one how I'm using this. And I'll do some more Caesar rice. So, guys, I will see some more video with different kind of Caesar rice. So.
The afterglow of this daily war. I need so much more than just holy water. The wind is roaring my heavy song. It's been way too long since I almost caught her. Baby, let me lay here a while until the day moves over.
Yes, guys, what up? RivaStream there, and for yesterday, Akichi, and you see the skies, the beautiful skies, you know, see. So, Aki me go pick you now, put in my Caesar rice, so, look how me go pick them. Can't find me with it. Eh? What? Pick them up. One. Two more there, so one more there. Down here, guys, it open. Yeah. I see one pick there on the wall. Yes, guys. You know, so this is going on food, you know, I'm gonna cook some Caesar rice today. I have some more I go pick, so I'm gonna pick them one and show you. You see it? Yes, guys. Yes, guys. I pick the next one, you know. And reach them there, guys, cause the tree. It's a blessed tree, so pick off the next one, yeah. You see it? So I'm gonna pick one more. Yeah, we get one more with the stick, but one pick we enough to pick, but I don't know. Is it? Yes, guys. Yes, guys, see them, man? You know, so how much we get? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Nearly 12, and see 3. I say, you know, 1 dozen lucky that, guys. So, you know, say, you're going to put them in the Caesar rice. So, stay tuned, guys. Oh. Yes, guys, my pumpkin tree, yeah. You know, say, yes, I don't really, because the yard I'm living in, really stay 100, because you know, I get to live, is it? So, we plant a one pumpkin tree and it give us some pumpkin. People take off and we take some, is it? So, the one way, we may show you at first, and if I eat this now, so, the different one, this, look on it. I don't want to move it, because you know the last time I moved the one I'm showing, I move it, just so broke off, so I don't want that one broke off. I want it to get bigger. So guys, you know, say it's good to plant something. So anybody they have little space in their yard and I wonder if you plant something. Yeah, RivaStream I tell you it's good to plant even one tree. And see where you get there. Yeah, one day you get something. My facility where me live not so good, but baby mother they plant a pumpkin tree and look where it give it. We have 2 big pumpkin we're going to use one of the rice and I'm going to show you that, guys. So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys, so you know, so we will cook some pumpkin rice, you know, and some, you know, so we call that Caesar rice in Jamaica. So you're going to see the ingredients in there, you will see it. So look on this. This I won't pick off of the tree, you know, look on it. So we will bust it and see it look. Pray if it look good, you know, guys, look. So pretty. Yeah. So you know, so this is a real pumpkin, guys. Jamaican pumpkin. So we will use it in the pumpkin rice. You see it? So stay tuned, guys. Yes, guys. Welcome. So guys, I Caesar rice I'm gonna cook today, yeah? Caesar rice. I'm gonna put them things that way I see tonight. So guys, let me show you what. Cause there's many Caesar rice to cook, but look on that one, you know. Let me show you what I'm using this. And I'll do some more Caesar rice. So guys, you will see some more video with different kind of Caesar rice. So I have a lot coming, you know, guys. So let me show you what I'm going on. So now. Alright, so we're gonna put first some scallion and thyme. Them I know so 100, but out of my fridge them a come from. You know what told me say I don't worry about them things, yeah. Yeah. So look one, alright, that a scallion and thyme. We go put piece of pop chow in it. Just a little piece. Onion, tomato, garlic, carrot, pepper. First we have a cock soup over there, so spicy. First we have a pepper this. Yeah, we said pepper already. Chopped mackerel. Now we will put that in there too. We have a coconut put in there too. We will broke it to make you see. And grate it and put it in the Caesar rice too. And we will put frankfurter in there. These are chicken frankfurter, guys. Grace chicken frankfurter. Yeah, so now we have the rice there, so. And we have the pumpkin here, so we just cut it, so we just cut it. You see it, and last but not least, ackee. So them fat guys up on them. Half of my tree in my yard and pick them now, guys. So you know, say it's good to plant something, you see it. You have some people, you know, them eat, you know. And them never eat something with them plant it, you know, but them eat what people plant, but them never broke their record and say, you know, some plant this and I eat something with plant. Never, some people never broke their record there yet. See, like we have some money smoke weed and never plant a spliff yet. You see it? So it just depends on others. But you can't do that. Even one time you have to plant something and eat that, is it? So guys, big respect. When you see me what I say, them I cut up and you see what I do things. So remember to like, share and subscribe. RivaStream this, is it? Big up guys. Love on YouTube in my heart. Cha-cha guys, cha-cha. Guys, I just brought the coconut and look on the eye of me see it, guys. I can't believe. For the first time I see a coconut eye so big. Look guys. First, whoever see this set, tell me if you never see a coconut eye so big yet. See the size there? The size out there in my hand. Look on it in my hand. Jaja Christ, such a God good, you know. You see coconut there? So you know that coconut is mad, you know, guys. It's dry, you know. So I need to go in on my thing. So guys, soon again. Yes guys, I RivaStream, you know. You see it? And enough love to you though. Now see me? You don't know me, you see it? Big up on yourself, you know, guys. You see it? Love on all, you see it? And I show you this. Look on this. So I'm going to the eye of the coconut this, you know, so I'm going to take a bite. Look, they can't eat, you know, so I'm show you. It come like an apple, nice, you know, guys. What it tastes like? Alright, it tastes like coconut, you know, but it tastes like soft or tender. It tastes like the meat of the coconut, but it tastes nicer. It have a milky taste. More soft and tender, is it? Yes, nice, man. First, me was the one so big. Anybody was the one so big, comment and tell me. Nice, guys. See you in the next video. set on a pot, you know. So this is how you're gonna do it. Set on your pot. This is how you gotta do it, peeps. Set on your pot, then you get the oil, put it in, and then you go fry the ackee, then make it soft because we're not boil it. You know, rice that cook, so we're boiling it, so we're gonna show you how to do it. So stay tuned, guys. Next time you see what I go on. Yes, guys, see oil in a pot. So you know you gotta throw in your oil and make your oil hot. Yes, ja. Alright, so the ackee. So you know you gotta wash your ackee very clean, you know. And guys, you can't wash it and put it down. You gotta wash it when you go put it in. You see it? So if you wash it and put it down, it will get soft on you guys. So we are going to do it now. We are going to throw them in. Watch it, guys. Now we got to throw in the ackee, guys. That's it. So we're going to start with this. This one is the oil. Doing the sauce. This. And the sauce, then I will put up the seasoning in there. I will throw in every mixture and I will see. Then I'm going to mix that in. Throw into that. I'm going to throw another different juice to that. Just take it into that. Respect and manners, right? So just watch, respect, manners, blessings, give thanks to the Most High. Yes, God. So we're going to get back to this, guys, so stay tuned. Oh. Two little coconut water from this bag. So let's see. I'm going to pour the coconut water from it. This one. Two more. So we already got everything. Real Caesar. So let's get it nice. Stay tuned to this coconut water going out. And then we're going to put it in the fountain and then boil, and then we're going to throw it in the master. We're going to see everything now. Yes, guys, I eat this one. Look. You want to smell it, guys. I throw the coconut milk on it, so watch the process, guys. Let's throw a little bit on it now. Because I'm going to make the pumpkin cook. I'm going to put the mackerel in. Yeah, I'm going to struggle there. Look, guys. You want to cook down the throw in the pumpkin them now. And make them get soft and then I crush them and put them in the box so you're going to see, guys. So look, watch the process. Anything. Yes, guys, I'm going to put it in the pumpkin then. I'm going to boil it, you know, but just cut them up like this, guys. See it? So then I will make them get soft out, guys, and then I will crush them and put them back in. So, yeah, we'll see what I go on. So just stay tuned and I will crush them and I will show you how I do it. Yes, guys, so pumpkin them, I will take them out and you see it? Crush them and show you how to do it. Look, so it. Yes, guys, so I take out them pumpkin. Pumpkin them pretty little, guys, and high production. Fresh from the tree, is it? No joke. No joke, nothing no thing. Yes, sir. This look booming. Yes, guys. Really, yes, this look booming. Yes, guys. Look at it. You know them I go crush out tonight, so you know I'm mad sick now. Mad sick now. Yeah, guys, this was the process. Yeah. Process I'm doing the protest. Oh. Let's look at you trying, guys. Wait. Yeah. So look at you trying to work, huh? Yeah. Smell that, guys? Smell that now, yeah. Oh. Anything can bust up and eliminate. Since it bust up, I don't know, say. So look a piece of it, you know. Yes, yeah. I'm never throwing the mackerel now. Touch this, throwing the mackerel and throw it in and never throw it back. See it throwing it. Yeah, always big up on yourself and stay safe, yeah? Yes, guys, I'm gonna put the jack mackerel, I'm gonna don't crush the pumpkin like you see it look now. I have to crush it down. So guys, I'll pull this. Yes, guys, and it's a grace. Big up grace every time. Grace. Yes. And we are throwing the same way. All they do, guys, is just kind of crush them out. Look, you know, crush them out fine. Let's crush them out a nice size that you can enjoy. See it? Let's crush them out to your size. The story make that. Crush them to your size. Story. You know, when I share the food, I get some nice piece of meat on it. You know, when we chew in the punk, same time. Story, man. So, look, guys, I know this now yet. 2 pounds of rice already. So, we will chew some more coconut milk on it, make the water reach for you, so. Then we throw in the rice. So, stay tuned to that. Yes, guys, so we're throwing this. Squeezing in, see it? Squeezing in. Yes, guys, I can take a bit of this in it also, you see it? Bring off your flavor. Stick a bit of it in it. Yeah, stir this one. We put the rice in this, see it? We put in a little more salt. Not enough, guys, I don't want to salt it. But alright. And it tastes the way you want to salt it. You understand? I'm going to put in the little cock soup in there. I'm not put nothing, we just put a little tip, guys, so watch that in it. Yes, guys, so I'm going to throw in this. So here what I'm going to do, I'm going to put it in a plate, put little water upon it, and we get it soft out, okay? So guys, I use that. I use that. I'm just turn it to the soup out, is it? Throw it in now, guys. Smell it, guys. Kick off the noise. Kick off the noise. So guys, taste my working on the rice and throwing in, see? Stay tuned to that, guys. Yes guys, so you know so this is what we do for the juice, you know. Some carrot, Jamaican carrot, local carrot, man I talk foreign carrot, I talk JA carrot, yardman carrot. Oh, watch them you know. Jew plum, yardman style, watch it. So we go wash off them here guys. Nah no ginger, so we not put no ginger, we can't do without. So guys we go wash off them here, peel them and grate them old fashioned way. And guys we're gonna make a juice with it, so when we grate them and juice them you're gonna see. So guys stay tuned. Please like, share, subscribe. Thanks. Yes guys, so you know we're chewing rice, you know. Rice. That's a 2 pound rice, man. Leave that, make that steam them off. Make that trouble after that, you know. Trouble. The front. See guys? Nice to see this. This is it. Stay tuned guys. Let's see what this is. It's a trouble though. RivaStream. Wow. Guys, the final, yes guys. Final look this guys, you know. You know it a come on. I'm gonna touch this to the rice done steam. So we're trying to see it and ice up the fire. From it start boil up. Just ice up the fire, you see it? So guys, you see it now, look when I see it back how it will look. Promise you. Yes guys, so we'll just look back on it so see it looking. So all of that just paste off on the top. See it? So you know I'm going to store the rice now. I can see how the rice stay under water now. Oh God. Okay? Jaja sees, Jaja knows. Jaja sees. Let's make that story on it guys. That will be really nice it up. Nice it up guys. Sweet it up. So the rice cook good guys up on it. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Nice it up guys. Nice stuff. I have to store it still. I mean say that way everything go together. Yes guys, look. See it? Nice article Caesar as the say I get him. Pumpkin Caesar rice. And so everything nice from RivaStream cook it. Oh, I want to smell the smell. You see it? Yes guys. Proper Caesar rice. So let me show you what this I will see. Oh, I did it, you know guys. Let me show you everything, is it? You have to taste the rice, I know how it's done. You see it? Yeah. Very shelly and nice. Look at that pumpkin there. Look at that. Nice, you know guys. Look at that. So guys, you know see me share with you know, so stay tuned for the sharing, guys. Just I gonna make it steam look a bit more and I eat that. Yes guys, see it finally running. See it? Great Caesar, this call that one pumpkin mix. See it? Look. So it done. Nice, you know guys. Nice. Eat this, you know, stop guys, look. Yes guys, so you know, say that taste that me I give you. Yeah man. So guys, when you see me and see about the food, you know, just tell me how the food look on the food. Yes guys, see the food yeah. Look how it look. You see? Yeah. You know, say this is the proper Jamaican Caesar rice, yardman style. You see it? And for me juice, yeah. So guys, I actually get two of them buckle here with the juice. But one of the buckle them half. You see it there? You see it shape? Look. Right beside there. So I'm going to chew up my juice now. Yeah. So you know what I'm going to juice this. It's a carrot and juke plum. Is it? Nice. So we're going on food then, okay? You know, so we're not eat off a whole lot. When we get my tripod, don't see that. So stay tuned to the video then. Take the first spoon, guys. Mm. Mm. Food nice, guys. Oh God. And guys, may I taste the coconut powder? May I taste the cock soup? May I taste the ackee? May I taste the pumpkin? May I taste everything, guys? Everything in one. Yeah, see, not even hear me about coconut powder, coconut juice me use. Because we don't use the powder, is it? So a mistake I make. Nice. Mm-hmm. Guys, and the pumpkin, nice to see. Sweet one. Mm-hmm. Now taste this mackerel now, see mackerel. Mm-hmm. Okay, bad now. Guys, I want to try cook this thing, okay? Nice. Just try cook it, you see. You see with everything when we use. Yeah, man. Sweet, guys. Mm-hmm. Yes, guys, man, you know, juice now. Taste it. Juice, sweet. So, guys, reach the end of the video now, so don't know I'm going to edit the video. Make you can get it to watch. So, big up on yourself. All of my subscribers, big up on yourself. Now, for calling a name. Respect, guys. More love.